play Icy Whistle. Then I'm going to show you how to play Angry Birds Eggs. Let's start with this egg. Put this one, this one, this one, this one, and let's do this, and then this, and then this, and then let's do this.
Well, that's pretty good. What other special eggs do you know, Zeker?
I do not know this one. Do not. Okay. Well, I do know
Which one?
this special egg.
Okay.
See? Now it's doing it.
Mm-hmm. Hold it right here. Pretty good.
So, now let's try this egg. Put your 2 fingers right here and do that. Like that. That. See? He's not doing it.
Is it up and down?
Uh-huh.
You have to do it up and down?
No. He's supposed to open his eyes.
There it goes.
That's how we do that one.
That's how you do that one.
So.
You know any others?
Uh-huh. I do. One more. This one is hard. What you have to do is do this, not that, and you have to get high and get that when the ball explodes up there. Watch, I'll show you really how you do it, okay? So, this is how. Ring the board like that, and guess what you do next? Next, you put it that board really high and try to get that. But there's something up there I don't like. That's all the eggs I know.
Okay. Well, that's pretty good for now. We'll try some more when we know them, okay?
Okay.